Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use bold Rebrand's template. So this is the Canva 2024 trend. So you can explore 2024 trends by canva.com design trends. You can explore it. So there are total 5 trends. One of the trend is bold Rebrand. The fifth trend here, the last one. This is bold rebrand. Bold is black. Bold is back. Bold branding is back in 2024. Think vivid. Fluorescence, color schemes, and rounded sans serif fonts. An organization looking for generational change will draw on this trend to channel positivity, fun, and optimism. Bold choice might be seen as risky, but a big payoff is always worth a shot. So total there are 9 templates. So these templates remind me kind of movies poster or like a Pulp Fiction. This one like Pulp Fiction poster or similar poster or magazine advertise. So here you can try to use this template. Just click one of the templates that you love. So here you go. This is Rebel Capitalist. So you can try to retype here, or maybe you want to redesign the materials, or you can change the photos image here with your own preferences. And also there is the unique one with the animation here, business a promo. So again, you can try to retype or redesign this material. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.